What if the next great Hollywood masterpiece wasn't written by a person at all? What if the story that makes you laugh, cry, and question everything you know was crafted by artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where the next Titanic, Inception, or Avengers movie didn't come from a writer's room, but from a neural network that studied every script, every emotion, and every audience reaction in cinematic history. It sounds impossible, maybe even terrifying. But here's the truth, it's already happening. Because the future of Hollywood isn't being written in ink anymore, it's being written in code. For over a century, Hollywood has run on human imagination, the raw, unpredictable spark that turns ideas into emotion. But today, that creative fire has a new companion. An intelligence built not from dreams or experience, but from data. AI has entered the film industry. And it's not just editing, animating, or recommending what to watch. It's learning how to write. Artificial intelligence has quietly gone from a novelty tool to a potential creative powerhouse. Language models like OpenAI's GPT-5, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini can now produce screenplays that sound shockingly human, complete with act structures, emotional dialogue, and character arcs that actually make sense. These models have consumed more stories than any human mind ever could. Billions of pages of books, scripts, fan fiction, and reviews. They don't just learn language. They learn what works. They study which emotions resonate, which arcs pay off, and which story formulas audiences can't resist. It began with experiments. In 2016, an AI named Benjamin wrote a short film called Sunspring. The result was bizarre. Awkward dialogue, surreal monologues, and a haunting atmosphere that was both nonsensical and strangely human. But that experiment opened a door no one could close. By 2023, AI systems weren't just generating strange scripts, they were collaborating on real productions. Writers began using AI to brainstorm plot ideas, rework endings, and refine dialogue. Studios started using algorithms to analyze scripts before greenlighting films, predicting what audiences would love and what would flop. Hollywood's old rule, that creativity belongs to humans, was suddenly up for debate. Not everyone was ready for it. The 2023 Writers Guild of America strike exposed deep fears about AI's role in the industry. Writers worried that the very scripts they'd written, their life's work, were being used to train the same systems that might replace them. The Guild's new agreements placed strict limits on AI's use in screenwriting. But it didn't stop the tide. Because the truth is, AI isn't going away. It's already part of the creative process. For many creators, AI is the ultimate collaborator, a partner who never tires, never argues, and never runs out of ideas. It can rewrite a scene in the tone of Tarantino. It can generate a dozen alternate endings in seconds. It can even simulate emotional arcs and dialogue chemistry between characters, all based on patterns it's learned from millions of films. But can imitation ever equal emotion? AI doesn't feel heartbreak. It doesn't fall in love. It doesn't understand the silence between two characters who've lost everything. It only knows that audiences respond to it. It doesn't feel the story. It calculates it. And that's where the magic and the danger collide. Because emotion is what defines storytelling. It's what makes us human. And right now, AI is learning how to mimic that humanity, faster than anyone imagined. But let's not underestimate how far it's come. Modern AI can generate entire storyboards, voice performances, and even pre-visualize camera angles from a script. It can analyze decades of box office data and predict which combination of characters, pacing, and genre will perform best. Warner Brothers and other studios have already tested AI to decide which projects to fund. In the near future, a film might go through hundreds of algorithmic test screenings before a single frame is shot. Hollywood is being rebuilt, not by producers, but by processors. Then there's the legal side. If an AI writes a script, who owns it? The programmer? The studio? The AI itself? The US Copyright Office has already ruled that fully AI-generated work cannot be copyrighted. Only creations with human authorship count. That means the next billion-dollar AI-written blockbuster could technically belong to no one. And if no one owns it, anyone could copy it. For an industry built on ownership, that's a terrifying thought.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
So maybe the answer isn't competition, but collaboration. AI might never replace human writers. It might simply redefine what they do. In the future, the best storytellers could be part writer, part editor, part AI conductor, shaping algorithms to express human truth. We might see film credits that read, written by Jordan Lee, with AI story assistant Script Gen 4.0. Would audiences care? If the story moved you, if it made you cry, laugh, or think, does it matter who or what wrote it? Could AI ever win an Oscar? It's not impossible. If an AI-assisted script wins Best Original Screenplay someday, it won't just be a victory. It'll be a revolution. A moment where Hollywood has to ask, what does it really mean to be a creator? At its core, storytelling is about connection. It's the way we understand each other. It's how we share pain, joy, and hope. AI can study that, but it can't live it. It can recreate emotion, but it can't feel it. Because no matter how advanced these machines become, they'll always be chasing something they can never replicate: the human heartbeat behind the story. So, will AI write our next blockbuster script? Almost certainly. But it won't do it alone. The real future of Hollywood won't be man versus machine. It'll be man with machine. Artists guiding algorithms and algorithms amplifying imagination. Because even if AI learns how to write like us, it still needs us to tell it what's worth writing about. In the end, the most powerful script of all isn't written by artificial intelligence. It's written by the part of us that machines can't copy. The part that dreams, feels, and creates. The part that makes us human.